Hello everyone, welcome to MarineMax of Excelsior. My name is Jacob DeBoer. Today we're going to be showing you the 2023 Nautique G25. It's a beautiful boat here we got at our lot in Excelsior. Right away I'm going to show you the colors on the exterior. So this is actually a nice black here with the white accent hull on the bottom as well. Then also you're going to notice you got gold plated accents on here for the name and the model of the boat. That's a cool feature that is continued in the interior, and you will see that in a bit. Let's come even farther. We actually have a gold metal flake, champagne colored metal flake on the exterior as well. Looks really sweet on the water. It's got the nice design that shines off of the sun. And you can also see manual tower on here. Take a little bit more of a look at that on the interior. Gas cap here on the outside. Got these on both sides of the boat. It's on a Nautique trailer as well. Come to the back, we got a nice slim platform. A nice flooring on there. Then you can see your step up into the interior, and you got your aft face seating as well. Look below, you got a surf pipe pushing the emissions downward. And you do have a stern drive on here, so it does make it easier to dock or even just move in tight spaces. It's a really nice feature to have on any wake boat or any boat in general. And you got your Nautique Surf System, NSS. It's got those plates that do come outwards here. You can actually kind of see it on there. Shapes your wave, makes it bigger, smaller, however you would like. It's a really cool feature that Nautiques have. Makes a really nice custom wave. All right, so that was everything on the exterior here. Let's go take a look at the interior of this Nautique G25. All right, welcome inside this Nautique G25. Anyway, I'm going to point out on the flooring here, you see the nice walkway through here. In this walkway, at the start of it, we actually have an integrated cooler in here. It does drain. And if we come up a little bit farther, we're going to see where you have the in-floor ballast here. So it gives you actually a lot of storage on both sides here. So you got one on this side, and you have one on the starboard side too. So you can store your extra board, skis, whatever you want to do. This actually storage does continue even farther here under those seats on the inside. Closes up like so. You along on this walkway, so it actually makes it really nice. Gives you another step here, so you don't get on any upholstery on your way in. You can see we got the sand upholstery on here, a little black woven accent color in here as well. Really nice stitching by Nautique, makes it that much more luxury style. All right, so looking on the inside here, we're gonna notice JL audio. They have the design of the speakers integrated into it, so it appears that much nicer. There's a nice look on these Nautiques. You can see that gold plate does accent with that gold plate outside for that G25 logo, so it continues even on the interior here. You got cup holders on either side. These cup holders do have accent lighting that goes under there on each side of those as well, and the ones in the front. And like I said, storage under these seats, so that does lift up. So this is the storage that's continued here from the in-floor storage back there as well. Closes up like so. So one thing that's also cool about Nautiques is that this actually is a seat. Lifts up, pulls back. Lifts up like so. Now your guests in the boat can view the surfers as well at a better angle. Just easy to put down. Backrest folds down, then slides back into place. All right, as we look here, we got the manual tower, and we see surfboard racks here. They actually, the lines, they just slide right in, so you have to tie those off, and they swing like so. Swing in and out. They lock back into place. Looking up top, you got the JL audio continued. You got two speakers on the tower here. And you have the bimini. It is closed up right now. This actually is the cover on it at the moment. Once that comes off, it folds out to the port and starboard side to give you all that shade. So come up a little bit farther. You see the seating here in the helm area. Let's look off to the port side here. This seat actually lifts up, gives you even more storage. So it's a huge amount of space in here. Put more boards in here if you'd like, or anything else. You can actually see the JL audio subwoofer in here. It's a pretty big subwoofer, so you got some nice audio quality in here. A little spot for your trash can as well. And that trash can, once this closes up here, actually has a little compartment here. It opens up, you can just throw your stuff in there nice and easy. Also, you got a little storage in here, so this actually closes downward so that the passengers can see through the windshield easy enough. But you do have a JL audio head unit in here. with a few plugins here as well for charging your phone or connecting for music. There's also got a 12 volt in there as well. All right, so turning to the helm, got a nice race car inspired helm seat. So this actually does have a bolster here, so that can lift up. Sit there like so. And you can see more of that gold plate accents here. You got that in the logo on the seat as well. And so now you can see you got your wheel here. Nice grip on this, and then at the left of that, you do see a spot for your phone. This is actually a Link Pan Array screen. Should be a 7-inch screen here that you can use. It's got all your engine diagnostics. You can change the courtesy light colors on here. Basically access everything you need to control all your wake, down to the minute detail to create the perfect wave for any surfer that you got on there. And it does have presets for any specific surfer, so you can just switch it to any one that you would like, nice and easy. Then if you don't like using a touchscreen, you can actually use this joystick here to navigate that screen as well. And it does have preset select buttons here, get you anywhere you need on that screen even quicker. All right, and then you do have your mirror here that does fold up to give you an easy way to view the surfers as well. All right, so coming up to the bow area here, you got a nice space for seating, a lot of cushion here. So this center here actually does flip over on the other side of this. This is more of that nice flooring on here that you find in the rest of the boat. So that flips, you can use that as a step to get on, or to get out and on the front side here if you don't want to step on any upholstery, or you can take it out completely if you just want deep seating in the bow as well. You can see more cup holders continued here in the bow along with that JL audio. And small things, you do see more of that gold-plated accent added in each spot of the boat. All right, so this was the Nautique G25. This is located at our lot at our Excelsior location. If you want to stop in, you absolutely can. Otherwise, you can give us a call here. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.